Howdy folks, today is April 25, 2023, and I wanted to show you, this is what they call a stair skirt, and this will, for demonstration purposes, I have this board here that will set on that, and it will cover all of this, and it'll also cover the end of my risers. But you know, that's a lot of cutting. So what I did is along the steps, I traced a line, which is where the riser is, and then I cut that. And when I cut it, what I used is a jig. This is what's called, well, it's a guide for my circular saw. And I line up one end of the board here and one end up at the top. And then, because I want to be able to keep to the left of the line, and I'll run on the narrow side of with that up against this, what I end up getting is I'm following this track here, and I'm getting a straight line. And you can see that, for instance, right here. And those will go up against the staircase. So I made this. I've used it to make the riser, which is that part of the stair which goes up. I've used that template. I marked off what would be square and cut the risers to reflect that. I have another template which I think I showed you that I had built about 6 years ago, and then I used it for, had to modify it so that I could use it for this set of stairs, which is about 46.5 inches wide. So that template or jig right here allows me to use this and do a straight line, no problems at all, as opposed to buying like a Festool track saw, which runs well over $1,000. So I built this out of scrap. I got this line real nice and straight. What I did is I put this piece on, I hot glued it, and then, you know, I had probably an additional 1/2 inch. And once this was set, then I took my saw and ran that short edge up against this, and that made my straight line. I found this type of template on YouTube, and it's a real lifesaver. Thanks for following our progress.